Today, I wanted to talk about something that has been a game changer for me in 2024, that is learning Flutter. First off, I have always been fascinated by mobile app development. Even when I initially started learning web development, I always tried to make my websites responsive for mobile apps. The idea of creating something that people can use on their phones is just mind-blowing. To be honest, it feels so good when someone uses your app, and of course, I like making useful apps that people can benefit, not waste their time on it. But here is the thing, I'm not a hardcore programmer, and diving into native development seemed a bit overwhelming. That's when I stumbled upon Flutter. What caught my eye was its promise of a single code base for both Android and iOS. I thought, wait, does that mean I can build for both platforms without learning two entirely different languages? Yes, it does. The simplicity of Dart, the language Flutter uses, made it really approachable for someone like me who was not a coding expert. I felt like I could actually understand what was going on, and that was a game changer. Another reason I jumped into Flutter was incredible community support. I mean, seriously, have you seen the Flutter documentation? It's like a treasure trove of information. And whenever I got stuck, there is always someone in the community ready to help me out. Also, I have recently installed Twitter, and I found lots of Flutter seniors and Google experts where they share blogs and a lot of useful stuff related to Dart and Flutter. Like compared to LinkedIn, I think Twitter is much more useful. Now, let's talk about the fun part, the building beautiful user interfaces. Flutter's widget-based architecture makes it super intuitive to creating stunning designs. Especially in my first month, I really struggled with widgets because you create a widget inside a widget, and inside a widget you create another widget, inside another widget you create a widget, and it continues. And that confused me a little bit at the beginning, but now everything is good. It's getting better. Also, with the hot reload feature, I could see my changes instantly without waiting for the entire app to rebuild. As someone who enjoys seeing instant results, this was a total game changer for my workflow. Also, I'm entirely using VS Code as an IDE. I think it's a personal choice. For someone like other people, it is more convenient to use Android Studio, but for me, actually learning using the VS Code is more convenient. So it has been more than 2 months since I started learning Flutter, and so far I have managed to complete about 3 apps, and 1 app for Play Store, and other 2 apps are smaller apps like weather and shopping applications for just for practice. So in a nutshell, I started learning Flutter in 2024 because it offered me beginner-friendly entry point into mobile app development, and a supportive community, and a fast, efficient way to bring my app ideas to life. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe for more tech-related content, especially Flutter and Dart. Thanks for joining me on this Flutter journey, and I will see you in the next videos.